Hi, I'm Sean, and today I'm going to teach you how to unbox an Amazon box. It can be tricky sometimes, but if you follow these simple tips and tricks, you'll be able to unbox your Amazon box too. To get started, you'll need an Amazon box, measuring tape, and invisible tape. It's important to have invisible tape, and I'll tell you why later. The first step you want to take is to locate your Amazon box. Mine is over here, but yours might be in a different location. I'm using scissors to open up my Amazon box, but you can use a knife, a butter knife, steak knife, utility knife, chef's knife, bread knife, paring knife, butcher knife, a pizza cutter, a serrated pie cutter, a red pen, a pencil, key, toenail clippers, a corkscrew, or a broken beer bottle. Before opening up your Amazon box, always make sure to wear safety glasses and a mask for safety. Locate the tape that's on your Amazon box and cut it along the edge. If it's still giving you a hard time, use a claw hammer and a screwdriver to help loosen up the tape. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It was fun making it for you. If there's anything